Here are the keys, Captain Red said to Captain Sky. Since you're the one in charge now, it's just right that you're the one who's holding them. Captain Skies was a bit unsure of this. He was not even sure if there is a need for the set of keys. He was not entirely sure if there is a need for any door to be locked or any separation between who goes where or what happens where, or the idea of the concept of having doors, some of the doors locked sometimes, or being inaccessible to anyone who wishes to explore it, it somehow makes Captain Skies uncomfortable. And Captain Red, of course, can feel this. You see, he said to Captain Skies, you see, it's not about restrictions, he said. Or it's not about giving orders, or it's not about limitations or harsh enforcements of one's authority. That's not what the keys are for, he said to Captain Skies. Captain Skies was listening. The keys are needed for those times when some ideas require an extra care or attention. In these different parts of the ship provides different kinds of care for ideas who wish to isolate themselves. At times, not always, at times, and these are for these keys is to make sure that the idea gets their required space or lack of interruption for them to develop or unfold properly. There are places in this ship that are inaccessible to the stars, he said, Captain Sky said. And sometimes the idea wishes to go there. Because the stars can have all these different experiences and light that it has gathered from all across, especially the shooting stars, the traveling ones, the comets. They have all sorts of experiences that may land on the idea even before the idea is ready for it. So now the idea, instead of unfolding as its own unique idea, will unfold in a way that is very similar to the stars and its experiences. And then there are rooms where the ideas can choose not to interact with any kind of light, even mine or yours, he said to Captain Sky. Because some ideas, they cannot be touched until they're ready. Because then again, they are so fragile that even the slightest brush of the tips of your finger can wilt it. And then there are rooms that are quite huge. And it can accommodate those young ones. And they can just sleep there. They can sleep there, it's warm, the light is just enough for them not to be scared. And there is the sound of soft wind brushing on the leaves of the trees. And sometimes they would like to sleep there. And you must not worry if they don't come out after 1 day, 2 days, or maybe even longer. They are always alive. They just had to sleep. And sometimes they bring their friends with them. And they hold hands, and then they close their eyes, and we're not entirely sure how long they will be there. But don't worry about locking them. They will let you know. They will let you know when it's time. You will see it on the keys. You will see it. These keys will always let you know whenever an idea is ready to be released. And then one key I have the original with me, he said to Captain Skies. You can have a duplicate of it, but I would really prefer that you don't use it until I ask you to.